Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Mid-South LED switchback door handles. So this is them off, color matched. Right now I just have a battery to kind of show you what they look like, powered on. As you can see, they're very bright. The only thing I'm not really a big fan of is you can see the light shining through the sides of the paint, but win some, you lose some. But this is what I've got so far. So first thing you want to do is take the door panel off, of course. As you can see, I already have that in. There's a bulb through here, up behind here, right here. So now what I'm going to do is, this is the running light wire and this is a blinker. So I'm going to tap into my running light wire for my switchback mirrors. Use that, and then I'm going to tap into the wiring harness, try to figure out which one of these are the blinker, tap into that wire for the front. The rear is going to be a little more complicated. As you can see, these are my old ones. These are what the new ones look like installed on the truck. But I'm going to have to run them through the door loom, down through here, back up into this door loom, and tap them into this wire. So whenever I get them tapped into this wire, I'll kind of update y'all and let y'all know how far I've gotten. Alright, so for the rear, as you can see, I've already loosened all of these up. There's one here, here, and stuck to the door, and right there. So I'm gonna take these out by hand. Taking it out, the handle out, it's very easy. I think the hardest part's just gonna be running all the wiring all the way through, which I hate doing, but I have to do it today. So once you get that part out, pull the handle out, remove this little green tab, and then put your new handle in. Alright, so we got the little tab off. What we'll do is we'll pull this little pin out, set the new old handles, I guess you say, off to the side, grab the new one. I'm gonna run the wiring through. Run the wire through. And then I'll get ready to put this new pin in. Alright, so now I have tapped these wires into this loom, ran them through the loom, and next I'm going to be running them through right here and running them down the pillar and running them to the front. So I actually had to drill a hole into the cab, which I wasn't really wanting to do, but there's a plug-in right there at the end of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zip tie it to that loom, and then I'm going to run the wiring down the pillar and up into the other loom. Alright, so it's actually been about a week. So I ran this wire loom through here, down this pillar, and through the floorboard. Once I ran it through all of this, ran it up here, ran it through this loom, and I'll take the door panel back off to show y'all how I did everything. Alright, so I got the door panel off. Pretty much what I did was I ran the wires off to the side so I could clear the window track motor. Self-tapped the little thing right there. Ran my wiring loom, 3 wires. Ran, these are going to be the driver or passenger side wires. These are going to be the running lights for the front doors and the back doors. And then the wires that come down through here are going to be for the blinkers. And these all run to the, if you have 2015 style tow mirrors, I ran these to the blue wire and the black wire next to them. They were the brightest that way. This is my running wire for my mirrors, so I just tapped the running wires for the handles in there as well, because as I said, they are running light and have the switchback feature. But I have everything covered up and kind of done the best I can, as nicely as possible. Have this orange painter's tape from when they repainted the truck. Didn't really hold the door panel plastic stuff on, but as you can see, it's all taped up and hidden. But yeah, I'll show y'all what everything looks like whenever I get the door panel back on and show you all it up. All right, so I have mine wired up to where if I turn them on the running lights, they will come on, along with the mirror lights and the C-bars on the headlights. So pretty much all of these are wired to the running light and the ground on this light. So these are switchbacks, so they have 3 wires. I'm not too sure what the colors are, but there's a solid running light and then a blinker wire. So I ran them to those 2. So these do not blink with the blinkers, which I didn't want them to, and I'm okay with. So they stay solid the whole time. But all of these over here, these are sequential switchbacks and these are just normal switchbacks. The only thing I'm not too happy with is you can see the light through the paint, but I guess they're pretty bright, so that's all right. So as you can see, these do not blink, those blink, mirror lights blink, and the handles blink. So we'll come over here to the other side and get a far back view of them. So as you can see, they blink amber and they run orange. But pretty much the running light I ran together for this side and the other side, ran them into one wire, ran them through here, and ran them to this light. And then pretty much just tap the handle lights into them because they're not drawing that much power. So during the day you can see them, but at night these things freaking light up the whole road. They light up the lane next to you on the interstate and the back roads or whatever you're on. Sorry, the dog, I don't know whose dog that is, but he's barking. But if you do order these and you don't have a passenger side keyhole, they've got one online that's like 40 bucks. They'll send you they'll send you a key lock you can buy. Mid-South will not send it, but you can buy one of these anyways, and just put a dummy keyhole in there like I did. But yeah, so I ordered these from MidSouth LED. It took about 9 weeks for them to make them. They are color matched exactly to my truck. They look really, really good. My truck has been repainted. It's factory color still, but it's just been redone. So all the paint's fresh and looks really good, and the handles still match. But if y'all enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Make sure to leave some comments, questions, whatever you got down below, and I'll try my best to get to them all. Have a good one.